In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix the Discord no root or RTC connecting error, a common issue that prevents voice channels from connecting properly. Let's get started. First, launch your Discord app, then navigate to the settings. Click on the setting icon given at the bottom left. Now here you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option voice and video. Here, make sure all your voice input and output settings are correct. For example, the right microphone and speaker are selected. If everything looks fine but the problem still persists, scroll down to the bottom of voice and video settings. There you will find the option reset voice settings or reset to default settings. Click on it and confirm by selecting OK. This will reset all your voice configurations back to default, which often fixes the no root connection problem. If the issue still is not resolved, the next step is to restart Discord completely. To do this, open your Task Manager. Right-click on your taskbar, select the option Task Manager. After it opens, go to the Details tab and find Discord in the list. Right-click on it and select In Processed Fee. This will completely close Discord, clearing any background errors or network bugs. After that, reopen Discord and try joining a voice channel again. The problem should now be fixed and you will be able to connect without any RTC connecting or no root errors. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.